With the gradual reduction of the frequency of replacement, more and more users change mobile phone screens. Changing the original screen has always been the first choice of users, but the price of the original screen of many brands has been high, and some even change the price of a screen close to half the money of a mobile phone, which causes many users to be discouraged. Fly CD mobile phone screen, a mobile phone screen brand comparable to the original. If you don't believe it, let's move on together. We specially bought a brand new Apple 11 for comparison. Now, let's take a look which screen is better, the original one or the new Fly CD one. First of all, we have to confirm whether it is the original screen. Check the True Tone display first. If the third-party screen has been replaced, the phone will prompt unknown parts. If the official after-sales original screen has been replaced, the phone will show that the screen has been replaced, and genuine Apple parts will be presented in the settings. Confirm that it is the original screen. Next, let's start our comparison test. Let's first look at the pure white picture, followed by the red, green and blue primary color picture. You can see that there is almost no difference between the two. Let's test them by playing games. We can see that there is no touch problem for both products in some ordinary games. However, when entering high-intensity operation games, Fly CD have a little stuttering, while the original product does not. Next is the brightness comparison test. First we test the original screen. We can see that this is around 497 nit. Next, test Fly CD, 755 nit. In terms of brightness, Fly CD is better. Use the red spider to test the color temperature K value as a comparison. As we can see, the color temperature of the two is basically in the white range, and in terms of color gamut, the color gamut of Fly CD is wider than the original. Now, let's compare the screen power consumption. Look, under the same operation, Fly CD consumes less power than the original, with 30 minutes of video. Above, if you want to see the comparison of Fly CD with other brands of original screens, welcome to leave a message. See you next time.